I'm starting, and now I can see. Okay. So today we're making chimichurri, and it's one of my favorite snacks. It's been my favorite snack since I was a tiny little baby. So my mom has made it since she was also a little child, a little baby. Since we're from Argentina, we like to make this a lot. It's a really super simple snack, really easy to make. Have it with any kind of meat. I like to eat it with bread, so that's how we're gonna be doing it today, but you can do it however you want. The ingredients are super simple. All you need is some parsley, some garlic, some red wine vinegar, some oregano, some dried crushed red peppers, and some salt, some olive oil. That's all you need for the ingredients. We're gonna try to do it with this little cheese grater. It's like a mini, it's really cute. Obviously, you need a bowl, a large, like a good size mixing bowl. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll figure it out. I'm kind of figuring it out as I go too. This is my first time making it, but this is a recipe that I've seen done a lot in my house, so I have some confidence. We're doing this together. So first, what I'm gonna do is chop up we do not need this much unless I'm just making it for me and my family, so we're not gonna use that much. So I'm using like a good handful. Oh, not in the bowl yet. Got a little bit too excited there. And you don't need this gross part at the end. You can just cut that right off. And be careful with knives. They're sharp. And then you can just compost this or feed it to your little brother. Brayden, do you want to try this? It's really good.
The stem?
It's like sweet, yeah. It's like sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
You're trying.
I'll eat it too. Ready?
Oh.
What are you cooking? Chimichurri.
Hi, I'm Braden, Bailey's little brother.
And then you can be our taste tester.
Yeah.
So you can just cut off the leaves right there. Okay, good job. You cut off the leaves.
I can officially say I helped.
You did help. Okay. I think I need a different knife. Here we go. This knife is this is our nice ceramic knife, so this is like, oh yes, this is so, there we go. Chef's kiss. Is that too much? I've been cooking a lot during this quarantine because you shouldn't go out and interact with people, so I've been trying to find new ways to like keep me busy. Ooh, yeah, I have like a rhythm now. This is good. I feel like I'm a chef. I think I got it nice and chopped up now, so now I'm just gonna put it in the bowl. Get all of it. Ooh, it smells really good. If you're doing it right, it'll smell like a garden. Now that you have all your parsley in a bowl, you can start adding your dry ingredients. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of oregano, dry red pepper, a little bit of salt, and then I'm just gonna take a spoon and then mix all of my dry ingredients with my, no, I forgot to do the garlic. It's okay, you guys, it's okay. Now I'm just taking 2 cloves of garlic and then crushing them. Okay, I'll put that. Ooh, I did it. Ooh, is that how you're supposed to do it? Ooh, I don't know. I'm gonna try to do it on the little grater thing. Oh, goodness. We're just gonna do it with a knife. And this is one of those recipes that it's not like boring to make. Anyone can do them. If I can do it, then you can do it. That's honest, that's like my saying. Why is garlic sticky? I think that's good. So now, I'm just gonna take my garlic, put it in there, that I did not forget about. In here right now, you should have your parsley, garlic, oregano, crushed red pepper, and some salt. It smells like being home. It smells like dinner, actually. This is what all of my dinners smell like, no matter what we're cooking. This is what they smell like. So now you have that all mixed up. You're just gonna put a little bit of red wine vinegar, just a little bit. Olive oil. This is what the base of the dish is. Let it really soak to the side, and if you want, you can put it in we have a little mason jar. Okay, so now we're just gonna let this rest off to the side while we cut up some bread. So now I'm just gonna cut thin, not that thin, pretty, like, good sized pieces of bread. So I'm gonna put a little bit of it into a jar, just to keep it in like a good, nice, airtight area. And then really make sure to put a lot of oil into it as well. Now you have your little jar. And you can just put this in the refrigerator. It's delicious. Save it for another day. Perfecto. So now we're gonna have them. Which piece of bread would you like?
That one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
And we're just gonna put a little. Let's try it.
You eat your knuckles. Mmm.
Is it delicious?
It's really good.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's good.
I think it's pretty good. I think I did a good job. Good job, Bailey. Okay, now we're all done. It was delicious, super fun to make, super easy to do. I loved it. My family loves it. I'll see you guys later next time. Peace out.